front of me is HONOR X7c, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening settings and hitting display and brightness. Now you need to scroll down to tap on fonts. Select latest or free section over here and tap on a perfect font style for you. I will go with this one. Now buy it or hit download, wait and select apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default font style, hit fonts again, select me section and tap on default or Android one. Then hit apply again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!